Let's go! Baby! The turbine is back in place. Cable to the house is right here. Did that 2 videos ago. Water pipe is here. Just have to connect the turbine to the cable. While I'm doing this, the pipe is filling up, and then we will see if it works. It is all set up, connected to the wire to the house, extra wire to my voltmeter. Already checked the pressure is 4.1 as usual. Let's start it. By the way, this is a 5mm nozzle. Why are we getting no voltage? There was a cable not connected correctly. We are around about 29-30 volts. Pressure check. Looking good. I'll leave it running for a while. Been running for 10 minutes now. Pressure is still at 4 bar. Don't know if you can read it. Believe me. Since it's running stable, I will now go upstairs to the house, see what's going on there, show you the readings, and if it's running, it's running. I put some stones so it can't move. Here's a stone so this can't move. See you upstairs. This is the MPPT charger that the micro hydro is hooked up to. We're seeing a constant wattage of about 25 to 26, and the voltage is very constant as well, between 29.28 and 29.35. The reason why we are just getting 26 watts is because the MPPT can't go to its optimal point, because the optimal voltage would be below the 24 volts of my batteries. If I would hook this up to a 12 volt battery, it would perform much better, at least 50% more, I guess. So what I'm guessing is, with this Pelton turbine, I have to at least run a 6mm nozzle to have enough power so the MPPT can draw more amps at the same voltage. So it just needs more power than it already has. This is now spinning a little faster than it is optimal. So there's power lost. But I'm still happy. I will leave this running with this low wattage for today to see if everything is fine. And if it stays stable, that means I have a sufficient water flow, and I can then go and change the nozzle to 6 millimeter or 5.5, whatever, I can definitely increase the power here. And let's see, 26 times 24 gives me 624 watt hours divided by 1500, which is my consumption every day. This already covers 41.6% of my daily consumption. And everything I produce with the solar system is coming on top. So if I can double this, or maybe triple this, I cover my needs completely. All right, success. This is what the water intake looks right now. The system has been running for maybe half an hour, and since it's overflowing, I see that I can run a bigger nozzle. I will now change to 6 millimeter and then see the results there. You can also see how my new filter is getting covered, but it looks completely clean, except one leaf right there. Nozzle change. The nozzle is changed to 6 millimeters. Let's turn it on again. And then I have to go up again and see the new readings at the computer. Let's go, baby! Now I'm back in office. As you can see, wattage went up to 56 for the 6 millimeter nozzle. Before it was at 26. We will also see the voltage 29, 38 from 5 millimeter nozzle to, well, yeah, 29, 38, 40. The voltage didn't increase much, but it's able, so the speed of the wheel stayed the same basically, but the charge controller is now able to draw more amps from it. That's how I read this. Correct me if I'm wrong. Now I'll be leaving this running for a while as well. See if it drops or not. If it drops, I have not enough water or something is wrong. And since this is the biggest nozzle that I have, I won't be changing it, but I will definitely start printing more nozzles. So 7 and 8 at least, and maybe then steps in between. But beginning at the 6 millimeter nozzle, because I won't use anything lower than that, I guess. Alright, now this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. I hope it was interesting, and let me know if you do something similar or why you are interested in this topic. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Maybe 2 hours later, I'm running the 6 millimeter nozzle. Filter is still super clean, no leaves in there. The good thing is it's still overflowing, so there's potential for a bigger nozzle. I'm wondering what size I'm gonna print. Maybe 7, try 7 if 7 is too much. Something in the middle between 6 and 7.